अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में हम टॉप 20 एमसीक्यूज कवर करेंगे ऑन WHO। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हेन वाज द वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एस्टेब्लिश्ड? ऑप्शंस आर ए 1945, बी 1946, सी 1948 और डी 1950। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी 1948। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, where are the headquarters of the World Health Organization located? Options are A Geneva, Switzerland, B New York, USA, C Paris, France or D Vienna, Austria. So the correct answer is option A Geneva, Switzerland. Question number 3, who is the current Director General of WHO 2025? Options are A Dr. Margaret Chan, B Dr. Gro Harlem Brundtland, C Dr. Tedros Adhanom or D Dr. Lee Jong-wook. So the correct answer is option C Dr. Tedros. Question number 4, which of the following is a primary goal of WHO? Options are A eradication of hunger, B promotion of international health, C regulation of international trade or D protection of cultural heritage. So the correct answer is option B promotion of international health. Question number 5, who is a specialized agency of which organization? WHO is a specialized organization of which organization? Options are A United Nations, B World Bank, C International Monetary Fund or D World Trade Organization. So the correct answer is option A United Nations. Question number 6, what is the theme of WHO's World Health Day 2023? Options are A universal health coverage, B health for all, C beat diabetes or D building a fairer healthier world. So the correct answer is option B health for all. Question number 7, which of these diseases has WHO declared eradicated globally? Options are A malaria, B polio, C smallpox or D tuberculosis. So the correct answer is option C smallpox. Question number 8, WHO is governed by how many member states? Options are A 193, B 195, C 197 or D 199. So the correct answer is option A 193. Question number 9, what does the WHO logo depict? Options are A stethoscope, B a snake and a staff, C a globe and a dove or D a heart and a cross. So the correct answer is option B a snake and a staff. Question number 10, which of these programs is run by WHO? Options are A World Food Program, B Global Polio Eradication Initiative, C United Nations Development Program or D UNESCO Education Program. So the correct answer is option B Global Polio Eradication Initiative. Question number 11, WHO publishes which annual report? Options are A World Health Statistics, B Global Hunger Index, C Human Development Report or D State of the World's Children. So the correct answer is option A World Health Statistics. Question number 12, the international health regulations were adopted in which year? Options are A 2000, B 2005, C 2010 or D 2015. So the correct answer is option B 2005. Question number 13, WHO declared COVID-19 a global pandemic in which year? Options are A 2019, B 2020, C 2021 or D 2022. So the correct answer is option B 2020. Question number 14, which vaccine was the first to be pre-qualified by WHO for COVID-19? Options are A Moderna, B Pfizer-BioNTech, C AstraZeneca or D Johnson & Johnson. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 15, what is the full form of COVAX, a WHO-led initiative? Options are A COVID-19 vaccination access, B COVID-19 vaccine allocation plan, C COVID-19 vaccines global access or D COVID-19 vaccine action plan. So the correct answer is option C COVID-19 vaccines global access. Question number 16, the Framework Convention on Tobacco Control is associated with which organization? Options are A FAO, B WHO, C UNICEF or D WTO. So the correct answer is option B WHO. Question number 17, what does health for all refer to in WHO's context? Options are A universal health coverage, B free healthcare for poor nations, C vaccination for all diseases or D eradication of poverty. So the correct answer is option A universal health coverage. Question number 18, which of the following is a WHO initiative to improve mental health? Options are A Stop TB Partnership, B MHGAP, C Gavi or D UNAIDS. So the correct answer is option B MHGAP. Question number 19, the WHO framework on aging focuses on which key area? Options are A promoting active aging, B reducing child mortality, C eradicating infectious diseases or D ensuring food security. So the correct answer is option A promoting active aging. Question number 20, WHO works closely with which organization for vaccine development? Options are A Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance, B the IMF, C UNESCO or D WTO. So the correct answer is option A Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance. होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगर आपको हमारे वीडियोस पसंद आते हैं तो हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक कीजिए और साथ साथ हमारे चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।